Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into the wonderful world of organic food and explore the numerous benefits it offers. Organic food has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's not just about avoiding pesticides, it's a holistic approach to healthier living and a more sustainable planet. In this video, we'll uncover the incredible benefits of choosing organic food for your health and the environment. Fewer chemicals, better health. One of the most significant advantages of organic food is the absence of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Conventional farming often relies on these chemicals to boost crop yields, but these substances can pose health risks. Organic food, on the other hand, is grown without synthetic chemicals, reducing the potential for pesticide residues in your food. Nutrient density. Studies have shown that organic food can be more nutrient-dense than conventionally grown counterparts. Organic soil is typically healthier and richer in essential minerals, leading to crops that are packed with vitamins and minerals. When you choose organic, you're not just eating, you're nourishing your body with higher quality food. Better taste? Many organic food enthusiasts report that organic fruits, vegetables, and other products simply taste better. That's because they are often grown in small, diverse farms that prioritize soil health and natural processes. This care and attention to detail can result in food that is more flavorful and enjoyable. Animal welfare. Organic meat, dairy, and egg products are produced with a strong focus on animal welfare. Organic livestock are typically raised in more humane conditions, with access to the outdoors, fresh air, and proper nutrition. This not only benefits the animals but also the quality of the products you consume. Reduced environmental impact. Choosing organic is a vote for a more sustainable planet. Organic farming practices promote soil health, reduce water pollution, and conserve energy. It also emphasizes biodiversity, ensuring that the ecosystems around these farms are healthier and more resilient. No GMOs. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are a topic of concern for many consumers. Organic food is non-GMO by definition, providing you with the assurance that you're not consuming genetically altered ingredients. Supporting local economies. When you buy organic, you often support local farmers and sustainable agriculture. This helps create jobs in your community and bolsters the local economy. Moreover, it reduces the carbon footprint associated with long-distance food transportation. Preservation of antibiotics. Conventional livestock farming often involves the routine use of antibiotics to promote growth and prevent disease. Organic farming practices prohibit this practice, reducing the risk of antibiotic resistance, a global public health concern. In conclusion, the benefits of organic food extend far beyond just avoiding pesticides. It's about making a choice that promotes better health, superior taste, and a more sustainable planet. By choosing organic, you support a holistic approach to food production that prioritizes your well-being, the welfare of animals, and the health of the environment. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, consider filling your cart with organic options and taking a step towards a healthier you and a healthier planet. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.